I started shaking violently, and then bam, I'm on the floor by people catching me.
Scores of Oconomowoc students are suddenly sickened in school. Authorities immediately suspect carbon monoxide.
We did have readings of carbon monoxide on the students.
The source of the problem was never found or confirmed, but the incident caused parents around the area to wonder about carbon monoxide detectors in their schools.
It should be a requirement if you want to keep your kids safe.
But they're not required in Wisconsin schools. In fact, the state's biggest district, MPS, and most districts in our area don't have them.
Why aren't there carbon monoxide detectors in schools?
John Cohn is president of the Wisconsin Fire Chiefs Association.
Is this something that you think they should have?
Well, we absolutely are in the business of prevention and then detection.
You saw the impact of what carbon monoxide can do in a building.
Absolutely, yeah.
Evansville, Wisconsin Superintendent Jerry Roth says a CO alarm prevented a dangerous situation earlier this year.
Alarm went off, and then immediately the teacher moved all the kids out of that area.
We have them in all of our buildings now.
Waukesha schools didn't wait for a mandate and installed detectors on their own.
It's a simple fix. It's the safety of our students, staff, and our community that come into our buildings is very important to us. So it was a kind of a no-brainer.
Some experts say detection is important even for very low levels of carbon monoxide, which can still pose a serious concern, especially in a school setting.
A Harvard Health study says even very low levels of carbon monoxide over a longer period, weeks or months, can cause headache, fatigue, and sometimes nausea and vomiting. Still, most Wisconsin schools don't check for it.
We do it in our home. It's probably a good idea for schools as well.
Does your child's school have carbon monoxide detectors?
Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know.
There are currently 5 states that do require detectors in schools, including Illinois, which had a bad carbon monoxide leak in a middle school several years ago. More than 150 students there were treated or hospitalized. Here in Wisconsin, districts like Waukesha and now Oconomowoc and a few others have installed them on their own. But as you heard that mom in the report say, it's up to parents to ask the question and find out whether their schools have carbon monoxide detectors. In the newsroom, I'm Kent Wainscott, WISN 12 News.